this is a Croft product, and this is the 6394, and it's the sliding stay for an inward opening window. And this is the code K3139. So this is supplied in 2 different sizes that you can choose from. We do a small, which is at 10 inch, and the other one is a 12 inch. This is the 10 inch size, and it is in the shade dark bronze metal antique. We do many different shades, so please have a look on our website at which ones we have available. So the length of the small one is 254 millimeters, so the 10 inches. The height of this is 38 millimeters, and the width of this, so from here to the back plate here, is 33 millimeters. So the advantage of these types of stays over traditional ones, that they can be fixed at any position. So with your traditional stays that have the holes going along them that dictate where you can obviously open the window to, and this can do it at any point by using just this little fixing point which you can twist, and then you simply just move it along to any point to how far the window you would like opening. So as you can see, it's a beautiful design and very clever, and as you can see even close up, the beautiful finishing touches even around here. So all the screws that are provided will be in a shade that will match the finish of your choice. So as you can see again, this is in the dark bronze metal antique. So it's beautifully disguised and it all blends in beautifully. So this is the Croft sliding stay for an inward opening window, and it is the K3139, and it was in the shade dark bronze metal antique.